Now more than ever, we need to be adaptable and open to change. But not just open to change, we need to embrace change and see it as an opportunity. The world needs us to create meaningful, positive change. Our old ways of thinking have gotten us where we are. But if we want to move beyond, we need to challenge our assumptions and think differently. Challenging our assumptions can be really uncomfortable. That's why it's so important to create a safe environment for people to explore new possibilities and find new answers. My job is not to give answers. My job is to empower people to find their own best answers. And I do that by asking powerful questions that allow people to tap into their own resources and find their own best way forward.
That look familiar?
One of the reasons that I use magic is because it allows me to grab people gently by the brain and shake so that their old ways of thinking can step aside and new ideas can flourish. I use storytelling, optical illusions, and magic because when you see something happen right in front of your eyes that you know is impossible, well, then it makes you question all the other things that you think you know. Magic has this way of lowering people's defenses, and that leads to a room full of more open minds, which in turn leads to better communication, better leadership, and better relationships. I'm Dan Trommater. I work with purpose-driven teams who want to think differently so they can create more change that matters. In short, I want to help you make the world a better place.